Hello everyone and welcome to Hanif EFI Mechanical back to the channel. In today's video, we're working on a Peugeot 2008 that has been brought into the workshop with a frustrating starting problem. The owner explained that the vehicle occasionally refuses to start and several warning messages appear on the dashboard. Problems like this can be difficult to diagnose because they may be caused by electrical faults, communication errors, or a weak power supply rather than a mechanical failure. Instead of replacing parts by guesswork, we're going to follow a proper diagnostic procedure to identify the exact cause of the problem. The first step is a visual inspection. We check the battery terminals for corrosion, inspect the ground connections, examine the wiring harness, and make sure all fuses are in good condition. A poor electrical connection can easily create communication faults between the vehicle's control modules and prevent the engine from starting. Next, we connect a professional diagnostic scanner to the vehicle's OBD port. After allowing the scanner to communicate with all of the electronic control units, we perform a complete system scan. Within a few moments, the scanner reports two stored fault codes, C1651 and B1418. These fault codes indicate that there is an issue affecting the vehicle's electronic systems. In many cases, faults like these are caused by low battery voltage, damaged wiring, poor connector contact, or communication problems between different control modules. That's why it's so important to diagnose the system carefully before replacing expensive components. Now we begin a detailed inspection. We check the battery voltage using a multimeter to make sure it is supplying stable power. After confirming the battery condition, we inspect the wiring related to the affected circuits. Every connector is disconnected, cleaned, and carefully examined for moisture, corrosion, bent pins, or loose terminals. Even a small amount of corrosion can interrupt communication between electronic modules and prevent the engine from starting. After locating the faulty connection, the damaged section is repaired and all connectors are securely reinstalled. Once the repair is complete, we reconnect the diagnostic scanner and erase all stored fault codes from the system. The next step is extremely important. We perform another complete diagnostic scan to verify that no active fault codes remain. The scanner now reports that the communication system is operating correctly and the previous fault codes have disappeared. Now it's time for the real test. We switch on the ignition, wait for the dashboard to complete its self-check, and then start the engine. This time, the engine starts immediately and runs smoothly. No warning lights return, and the vehicle responds normally. To make sure the repair is successful, we start the vehicle several more times and confirm that the problem has been completely resolved. This repair demonstrates why professional diagnostics are essential when dealing with modern vehicles. Fault codes should never be ignored, but they should also not lead directly to replacing parts without testing. Careful inspection, accurate diagnosis, and proper electrical repairs can save both time and money. If your Peugeot 2008 is experiencing a similar starting issue or displaying C1651 or B1418 fault codes, begin with the basics. Check the battery, inspect the wiring, examine the connectors, and perform a full diagnostic scan before replacing any components. Thank you for watching. If you found this repair helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive diagnostic and repair videos. We'll see you in the next one.